That's great.
How has your neck been over the past month?
Did my answer as a Hulk?
Yeah.
My neck's been weird, brother. I turn and I've got an ache, and it zings up my skull, and I can't crush anyone's skull if my neck hurts, brother.
0 to 10, how bad?
A couple days, 9. Today, 2.
What'd you do before the 9 days?
I tried to stretch, and I did these moves. You told me to do the moves. I did my moves. My moves did nothing.
What beforehand, did you have a lot of filming days or?
Very little filming days. They're not paying me to film anymore because I can't slam the bodies.
What do you think caused the 9 out of 10 pain? Was it just random?
Computer, brother. Online, brother. Internet searching, brother.
I love it. You said 2 days of 9 out of 10 pain?
Maybe more.
Wow.
I feel like I need to like answer you really.
Take a break.
Okay. No, so I had like probably four or 5 days where I was like, oh shit,
How
what's
much
going
computer
on?
work were you doing?
A lot of computer work. Melissa and I have been nuts because
How many hours? Like,
sitting there for like 8 hours, and then I get up and.
what's your sitting posture like? What's your workstation?
Awesome. I have like an awesome chair that has like these movable arms, and it's a very shallow seat, so like my legs are in the right place, my back is on the chair, and it has these arms that keep me level with my mouse and keyboard. But it was just like something was here, and it would shoot down here, and it was just driving me nuts here. And then it like switched. Like the next day, it was the same thing, but coming down this side.
It's a zing.
Yeah, it's a zing. And so it would come here and go down to here, and it felt horrible. And I was just like, what is this? Yeah.
Because if it's zinging on one side, it could be that nerve that we were treating. But if it's zinging on both sides, it's just a disc inflamed, and you're getting a little bit of spinal cord symptom. So
Yeah, it went to the other side too. So it was definitely both sides.
Okay. So let's measure a couple of your tests. We'll use your glasses.
They can stay.
Yeah. It's a little different, but that's okay. What's your neutral?
8. Am I on this
It
thing?
doesn't matter. We're
Okay.
getting to more time. Oop.
Brother.
Come forward. Come around a little bit more. Okay, stay there. CTF, Tracy? You said 7?
8.
8? 66 degrees. What do you feel when you do that?
A pull down here.
Mild pull left T2 area. Middle or left? Both sides.
Both sides.
Midline T2. Good. Come and stand right here, please. Straight forward. And then turn your head towards me. All the way to the left. What do you feel? Pull.
Pull here. Yeah, there's a tightness there. I feel like I kind of stop and then I gotta push through.
Yeah. Mild pull left T2. Look straight forward. Slowly, gently. 71 degrees, 78%.
What was I before, brother?
That first test we did, you
Yeah.
were 73 degrees. We lost 7.
Come on.
And then to the left, we were 75, and we lost 4.
Unacceptable.
I agreed. Yeah. So come lie on your back.
Okay.
I love it. We're gonna get some good stuff out of this.
You need me to move that one?
Yep. Yeah. So
I wish I should like lift dumbbells while we're sitting.
seriously,
You want some?
I'll do it.
Sam, can you pass
This
the
one?
Hulk? You
This one.
want to move your head to the left a little bit,
I'm okay.
or your butt? You can reach and not hurt your shoulder.
No problem. Is this messing you up?
No.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004.
Hope when you need a break, you can come up.
It's so light. It's so light. Might as well do this side.
What you're doing a lot of work with Melissa editing?
Yeah, well, we're rebranding together.
Oh, you're in process with
And
that.
yeah, so we did an LGBTQ expo on Sunday in Jersey
Nice.
City. So we actually forgot about it with the holidays. I was like drinking old fashions every night, like some kind of leisurely old man.
whiskey.
And I'm sitting there like, oh, we have the show, and like I had to order a bunch of extra samples and just things to bring, and
Wow.
because I have a lot of straight couple samples, but I didn't have like all my gay stuff together, so I had to like make new samples. And then the show was really great, and then we had a contest, so we were dealing with like the winners for the contest.
Right.
I contacted them, and also, so all kinds of shit in there. Well, we're having a sperm issue.
Those pet darn sperm.
Who would have thought? Like the good sperm sells out like hotcakes. Like we picked a donor, and we're like this guy, and then it turns out he didn't have the full genetic profile testing like we did, and I'm a carrier of one thing, and Melissa's a carrier of three things, so we have to make sure their genetics don't carry that as well.
Right.
And it's also like the chances of those things happening are unlikely, but it's like
Yeah, you want-
if you're spending $1 bajillion, you
Right.
might as well like make sure they don't carry that. So we picked a new guy, and then we love this guy, and he's got a dimple, and he's cute, and like, oh, this guy's adorable, and he's a clean bill of health, and he's good they do a write-up, so you get a sense of their personalities.
Yeah.
Now I'm like judging their punctuation, and I'm like, this guy's good, he's smart, he's cute, and then we call up, oh, he's sold out. What do you mean he's sold out?
Why can't he just put more in a cup?
Can't he just come on and put more in the cup? Like, yeah, doesn't he know there's good money? So I can't even buy the damn sperm. I'm like, what am I supposed to do?
Turn your head towards me. That looks better. Did it still catch?
It was much easier. Do I need to leave my head against the wall for this?
Take it slightly off the wall.
Okay.
It didn't catch there?
It feels much easier here. Because I would kind of just stop and then push through.
Yeah. But you're not stopping right there, right?
Maybe,
little bit.
I feel like I pushed the last little bit, but I don't know. It doesn't feel like it did.
Okay.
What was it that we worked on?
Left C5, C7 rotatories. Significant. Get
You
over
worked
here.
on these, sister.
You're like, I picked the right day to come in here. This is the day.
Yeah, this just worked out. She was coming for another person. I was like, wait, Adrian's coming. This is perfect.
I was about to run out, and I thought I knew exactly where my costume was, and my wife put it away. I was like, where is my whole costume? And we were like ripping through the attic before I got here. And she's like, do you really need it? I was like, yes, I really need it.
Yes. This is your payment.
Yeah, we need the costume. This is for real.
You'd be good at headlock, sister.
Should be a tag team with the Hulk. Go ahead. It's hilarious that Melissa's like, do you really need it?
Yeah, do you need it? Yes, I need it. You should put it away.
Come on, Melissa.
I was like, I need it.
Sabotage our
I know.
project.
I guess she didn't believe that was real.
That we were really gonna do
Yeah,
this.
I was like, no, we're doing this.
I love it. Go ahead. I'm so proud of you for holding your end
Oh
of the
yeah.
bargain.
Oh yeah. I was like, I'm putting this costume on as much as possible. Do you need me to like get my hair out of there?
As long as I'm not pulling it.
Well, I kind of hear it ripping out of my head.
I hear it ripping a little bit.
The Hulk's going bald, brother.
Go ahead, Chase.
felt like a stupid muscle thing.
It was a stupid muscle thing.
Yeah.
So the main thing we have to be mindful of, Adrian, is trying to take some breaks in there with that sitting. And are you doing how's your exercise?
Good. I just bumped it back up a little bit more, and I'm back at hot yoga. So I train once a week with my trainer, and I take a class once or twice a week. It's kind of like a full body circuit, and then hot yoga. I'm probably gonna go back to yoga tonight.
Okay.
So I'm back up with that because it's been a little less over the holidays.
That was
Left levator scap, moderate. Tuck in, come down. Come forward. How's that pulling right here?
That's fine.
CTF, no pulling. One more, come line your back. I also want you to prioritize doing a lot of the external rotation exercise and then rowing. Horizontal
Okay.
rowing, can you do that?
External and rowing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're familiar with
Yep.
that?
Mhm.
Because that's gonna keep your upper back and body strong for when you have to put a lot of stress on your body like you're doing when you're sitting.
Yeah. I've been telling myself to get up, like get up, move, do those bend overs.
Good.
I catch myself jutting my neck forward.
Okay, thank you.
I catch that, and I'm like, stop it. But it's just like something I guess I mindlessly slip into.
Yeah.
And of course, it's like the internet is watching me, and then it starts showing me these ads for this brace that people wear across their back to straighten out. I'm like, do I need this thing? Can I make it with a couple of belts?
Well, what I'd like you to do is to develop your own brace by strengthening.
Okay.
And so that good morning exercise, by you doing that and by keeping your chin tucked in, you're going to develop your own brace to the extent you're diligent about it. So what I do now when I go to the gym is I don't do any pushing exercises or any other exercises until I do my rowing, my external rotation, my good mornings, my core work. And then if I want to do anything else, like abs or like push-ups
Yeah.
or anything else, then I'll do it. But what that means is that if I'm tired and I don't do those first, I don't do that other stuff.
Really?
Because big picture,
Yeah.
that's important. Like if we're not doing the right muscles, left C6, C7 joint capsule, moderate. If we're not doing those first, 20 years, 30 years down the road, my posture's going to be shit. So, with where we discharged you, what this means is that the probability of you having a more significant disc issue is higher. So we just want to do the right thing by it.
Yeah.
And if you continue to have this intense symptom with that amount of work, then we should get an MRI in the next couple months and just see what we're dealing with.
Sons of bitches.
It's okay, we just have to do the right thing by your neck so that you age gracefully, Hulk.
Yeah, brother. You don't even know I'm 97 years old right now, dude.
What do you feel?
I just
Is it catching before you get to the end range?
no.
Look straight forward. No symptoms, Tracy. Slowly turn to the left. 76 degrees, 84%. That's better than it's ever been. And then let's do the other test.
Oh yeah? All right.
Tuck in. Bring your head forward. And come forward. .68 degrees. No symptoms with that.
Is that what I was before? All right.
2 degrees. 2 degrees.
I like improvement.
Thank you so much. That was awesome.
Awesome.
If you want to.
Uh,
Yeah, if you want to. Well, come back in 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Today's on us.
cool. Okay. Cool.
Because
Yeah.
we were like treating the whole. Come back in 2 weeks. We're gonna see how you do. Be mindful of your posture. Prioritize some of the pulling and the external rotation.
Okay. Sit down pulls, external.
Yeah.
You know, I had another shoulder. I did a shoulder thing going on a while ago, and they were talking about some like subscapulation something. Is that any help?
You can do some of that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, in 2 weeks. Yeah.
Yeah. And whatever you want to say to the camera.
What do you think? Like, if you think you
Just
need
have fun.
New Year's resolution, forget your New Year's resolutions.
Have fun. Be as outrageous as you can be.
All right, hold on. I need to give me a topic.
You want to curse? Sperm.
Sperm. Your viewers, they don't care about sperm. Right?
Or do they?
Well,
They might.
I care about the sperm. It's very expensive, and I can't get the cute guy.
Yeah.
I know the cute smart guy is what I want.
Your neck. You can talk about sitting. You can talk about your videos. Whichever one you want.
Yeah, let me think of something here. Okay, so
Whatever
I'll
you
say. I think you.
Do you want to sit down and make you feel more comfortable, or nah? You want to
Nah, so I
stand?
could be like crazy and then make
Alright,
sure
let me
like,
just set this
keep
up.
these out.
All right, we're all good whenever you want.
Let me see. I think I got something.
Okay.
If you think you're gonna fix your body with New Year's resolutions, brother, you gotta think again. You got another thing coming because your stretching and your workout ain't gonna fix you. You know what it is? Dr. Chris, come on down to Barefoot Rehab and fix your body now, brother.
That was great.